Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your AfterShokz Titanium with Android smartphone. And to do this, first let's start by launching our Bluetooth on the phone. Scroll down to all available devices. Next thing is to power on the headphones and at the same time enter pairing mode. So hold the plus or power key for around 5 seconds until you hear the pairing mode has been enabled. Now we're in a pairing mode, we can refresh a list of available devices, and here we can find Titanium. Click on pair, and the pairing procedure is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.